And then, when I give him to my friends and I go, it's Boris the spider, they have no clue what I'm talking about. Hello folks, Grace here, and thank you for joining me today. Today's project is a plush for a good friend, and we're making a little baby spider. I started with the body, which was made by crocheting in the round. I made my base slightly oblong so it would come out as more of an oval. Day 2, I worked on closing the body, which was done by decreasing the stitches each row. Once I had the body shaped enough to have a good idea of size, I figured out how much stuffing and used a pantyhose to contain it. Next, I proceeded to close the body. Once that was done, I started on the legs, which I made with little curly cues. I decided it would be easiest for attaching it to make the legs in sets of 4. Starting day 3, I finished off the legs. Once they were complete, I pinned them where I wanted on the body and proceeded to join them. I decided the eyes would be a great place to incorporate some color, so I made a base out of this lovely teal. I used black for the eyeballs, placed some white stitches to make them look a little rounder, a little cuter. Then I put together the eye pieces and attached those to the body of the spider. Here we have it, a cute baby spider plush. Thank you all so much for joining me. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I try to post most Fridays, but if you want to make sure not to miss any, remember to ring the notification bell. You've been great. I've been Grace. Remember to be excellent to each other. Have a great day.